Today, I'm making crispy Japanese chicken katsu and showing you 3 different ways to serve it. We're starting with chicken katsu curry, then a classic chicken katsu plate with rice and a side salad and homemade dressing, and finishing with chicken katsu donburi. If you enjoy easy Japanese home cooking, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes. Let's get started. First, I have 2 chicken breasts, about 700 grams total, sliced each into 2 thinner slices. You can also use chicken thigh. Marinate the chicken in 1/8 cup xiaoxing wine or sake, 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, optional 2 tablespoons sugar, and optional black or white pepper. You can also omit the soy sauce if you don't want the chicken breast turned dark, but in my case, the final result is fine. Marinate overnight. Take the chicken out from the fridge and pat on paper towel to absorb the moisture as much as possible. Put 1/2 cup flour with 3 tablespoons cornstarch in a dish large enough to dip the chicken and mix. Then dip the patted chicken in the mixture. Put the chicken on a wire rack and continue dipping the rest of the chicken pieces. Put 3 eggs and panko breadcrumbs on a separate dish large enough to dip the chicken and whisk the eggs. Dip the chicken in the eggs mixture, then panko breadcrumbs. I'd like to pat the panko breadcrumbs firmly to the chicken so it stays. Put the chicken on a wire rack and continue with the rest of the chicken. Then put the chicken in the fridge for about 1 hour. This will help the breading hydrate and bind to the meat. Resting also firms up the coating, resulting in crisper crusts. Not all panko is the same. I'm using leftover panko I have at home. It's not quite the big, airy crumbs, but don't worry. It will still make delicious chicken katsu. If you want it extra crunchy, coarse panko works best. In fact, I'll show you the different crumbs at the store. Take the chicken out from the fridge and let it sit at the counter for about 10 to 15 minutes. We do this so the outside does not brown too fast while the inside is undercooked, and we don't want the oil temperature to drop, which makes the coating absorb more oil. While the chicken is resting, heat up neutral oil in a pan or wok. If the oil sizzles like this, that means it's ready for frying. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Listen to how crispy it is. Look how the coating sticks to the chicken. As for the curry, you can choose any Japanese-style curry brand and heat it up according to the instructions on the packet. Pour the warm curry sauce next to your rice and put the chicken cutlet on top. Or depending on your preference, you can also pour the curry on top of the chicken. Your chicken katsu curry is ready. Now let's make the chicken katsu with salad. For the salad dressing we need 1/4 cup sesame seed, toasted in medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. Let it cool, then grind. 2/3 cup mayo, 2 heaping tablespoons sugar, about 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons. Rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon plus 1/8 teaspoon salt. Grind the toasted sesame seeds until it looks like a paste and mix with the rest of the ingredients until smooth. Drizzle on top of your salad. Also serve the chicken cutlet with any katsu sauce of your choice. Your chicken katsu with a side salad is ready. Now we are making the katsudon. This is one of my family's favorites, and we like it with lots of sauce, eggs, and onions. We need 2/3 cup water, 1½ teaspoons handashi, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 4 teaspoons sake, 4 teaspoons sugar, 4 teaspoons mirin, about 1/4 large onion, sliced thinly, you can use less, 1 to 2 stalks, green onion cut into 1 inch, 2 eggs, 1 chicken katsu already cut up. Crack 2 eggs and whisk. Heat up oil in a non-stick pan that fits your rice bowl. Add the sliced onion and cook until it begins to soften. Add the sliced green onion. Sauté briefly. Add the rest of the ingredients except for the eggs and chicken katsu. Let all ingredients incorporate. At this moment, I usually take about 1/2 of the broth out of the pan and set aside. The remaining half I use to cook the katsu. This is not shown on the video. Once everything is incorporated, add the chicken katsu, then the eggs. I like to spread the eggs on the side of the katsu so I can still see the katsu when it's done. Cover and cook the eggs to your desired doneness. Prepare your steamed rice and pour the half broth you saved earlier over the rice. Then put the katsudon on top. Let me know in the comments which version you'd eat first, and thank you for watching.